Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check for software update in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to software update option. Now if you want to check for latest software update, then you have to tap on download and install option. And you can see it's checking for updates. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, but I suggest you to enable Wi-Fi. And that's it. You can see in my phone a software update is available now and it's downloading the update. If you scroll all the way down and at the bottom you can see update information. From here you can check your all the update details, and it's just a security software update. Now if you go back, from here you can enable auto download over Wi-Fi option. Also from here you can check your last update time and details. If you go back again and then tap on download and install. Normally the update time depends on update size. Normally security update take around 15 to 20 minutes. And after downloading the update, your phone will take restart and then your phone will be up to date. And that is how you can check for software update in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.